Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Pratmik Rachna lesson 7 possessive case endings Sambandh Karak. For possessive case ending we say Sambandh Karak in Hindi. So we'll go to the lesson now. The possessive case ending. First one Ram ka ladka. So when do we use ka, ke, ki? We saw in the previous video. We use whenever there is the sentence when we use of or some persons. So in these two contexts we will use this possessive case ending ka, ke, ki. First sentence Ram ka ladka. Ram's son. Ladka means son. Ram's son. Second question Ram ke ladke. Ladke means sons, plural. Second one. Ram ke ladke. Ram's sons. Ram's sons. In that we'll use the case ending ke. When it is singular, we will use ka. Singular and masculine. Ka is used. Ram ka ladka, first one. Ram's son. Second question, Ram ke ladke. Ram's sons. More than one son. So it is plural in, we'll use the case ending ke in the second sentence. Now third sentence. Ram ki ladki. So Ram has a daughter. So we say it is a female gender singular. So we say Ram's daughter. We say ki. Here ki is the case sentence. Ram ki ladki. Ladki means girl. Ram's daughter. Ram ki ladki. Fourth question. Ram ki ladkiyan. So Ram has more than one daughter. So ladkiyan is plural, girls. Ram's daughter. Ram's daughter. So here the case ending is ki. And here case ending ki is used for female plural. Fifth question. Sita ka bai. Bai is masculine and singular. Bai means brother. So Sita's brother. So when there is male singular, we are using ka in this sentence. Sita ka bhai. Sita's brother. Sixth question. Ibrahim ki gai. Gai is cow. It is feminine gender. So we are using the case ending ki here. Ibrahim ki gai. Ibrahim's cow. Ibrahim ki gai. Ibrahim's cow. The case ending in the sixth one is ki. Seventh question. Ram ke ghar mein. Ghar means house. Mein means in. So whose house it is? Ram's house. In Ram's house it is. So Ram is masculine. Ghar is also masculine. So it is Ram's house. We use here ke. Ram ke ghar mein. So in Ram's house. Here case ending is ke. For the seventh one, the case ending is ke. Eighth question. Sita ke bachon ka. Bachon means children, plural. So we are using here ke. Masculine plural, we use ke. Sita ke bachon ka. Of Sita's children. Of Sita's children. The case ending for eighth one is ke. Now we come to the explanation given. K, ka is used when the noun that follow is masculine singular. Ka is used, the case ending ka is used when the noun that follows is masculine singular. Second line. K is used when the noun that follows is masculine plural. K is used when the noun that follows is masculine plural or with respect. So masculine, if it is plural or a masculine person with respect is used, then K is used and the case ending will be K in that case. Or when the noun that follows again followed by another case ending, we use K. When two case ending comes, in that case also we use K. That is when the noun that follows again followed by another case ending. Next, ki is used when the noun that follows is feminine. It can be singular or plural or respect. We use only ki. The case ending is ki. When is ki used? Ki is the case ending and that is used when it is feminine singular, feminine plural, feminine respect. For anything we use, if it is feminine, only ki. It can be singular, it can be plural, it can be with respect. In all the case for feminine gender, we use ki. But for masculine, for singular, we use ka. For plural and respect, we use k. That is the possessive case ending. Explanation. Possessing case ending are ka, ke and ki. So ka is used for masculine singular, k is used for masculine plural and respect, ki is used for feminine singular, feminine plural, feminine with respect. Now we go to the exercises. Fill in the blanks with suitable possessive case endings. First question. मैं गोपाल dash by हूँ. So I am Gopal's brother. That is the meaning of the sentence. By means brother. मैं comes, so the sentence will end with who in present tense. मैं गोपाल का भाई हूँ. Bayi is masculine singular, so ka will come. The case ending for the first question is ka. I am Gopal's brother. मैं गोपाल का भाई हूँ. The answer for the first question is ka. Second question. रजिया अजबू डैश बहन है. रजिया अब्दुल डैश बहन है. So बहन is feminine. बहन means sister. It is feminine gender. So Razia is feminine. So we use here ki. Razia Abdul की बहन है. रजिया अब्दुल की बहन है. रजिया is Abdul sister. रजिया अब्दुल की बहन है. So the answer for the second question is ki. The case ending for the second question is ki. रजिया अब्दुल की बहन है. Third question. शरीफ डैश दो भाई मैसूर में रहते हैं. The meaning of this sentence is Sharif brother live in Mysore. Sharif brothers live in Mysore. So Bai means it is masculine. Do means what? It is more than one. So it is plural. Two brothers. So we have to use here K. Sharif के दो भाई मैसूर में रहते हैं. Sharif brothers live in Mysore. Sharif brothers live in Mysore. शरीफ के दो भाई मैसूर में रहते हैं. The case ending for third one is K. Fourth question. लव और कुश सीता डैश बेटे हैं. So we know that Sita has two sons and their names are Love and Kush. So more than one son she is having, and they are masculine. They are boys. They are masculine in gender. So plural masculine is coming here. So answer is K. लव और कुश सीता के बेटे हैं. लव और कुश सीता के बेटे हैं. Fourth one, the answer is K because it is masculine plural. लव और कुश सीता के बेटे हैं. लव and कुश are Sita's sons. लव और कुश are Sita's sons. लव और कुश सीता के बेटे हैं. Answer and the case ending for the fourth question is K. Now we go to the fifth question. आप डैश लड़की डैश नाम क्या है? So what is your daughter's name? That is the meaning of this sentence. Now ladki is feminine singular, so ki will come. Dash naam is masculine gender, so ka will come. So the answer for the fifth one is ka and ki, both will come. आपकी लड़की का नाम क्या है? What is your daughter's name? आपकी लड़की का नाम क्या है? What is your daughter's name? The case ending used here is की लड़की का नाम क्या है? What is your daughter's name? Sixth question. उस गाय डैश दूध बहुत मीठा है. So fifth question. Sixth question. उस गाय डैश दूध बहुत मीठा है. So that cow's milk is very sweet. So answer is दूध is masculine and it will come. उस गाय का दूध बहुत मीठा है. That cow's milk is very sweet. उस means that. So गाय का दूध will come. The case ending for the sixth one is का. उस गाय का दूध बहुत मीठा है. That cow's milk is very sweet. The answer for the sixth question is का. Seventh question. उमा डैश बाप कहाँ रहते हैं? So Uma's father, where does he live? Where does Uma's father live? That is the question. रहते हैं इसलिए. So father is treated with respect. So उमा के बाप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where does Uma's father live? That is the meaning of the sentence. So case ending for the seventh one is K. उमा के बाप कहाँ रहते हैं? उमा के बाप कहाँ रहते हैं? Seventh one, the answer is K. Eighth question. उत्तर भारत डैश स्त्रियां पर्दे में रहती हैं. So the ladies there wear that cloth on the head. That is parda. They wear it on the face. So ki will come. It is feminine. Striya is plural feminine. So उत्तर भारत की स्त्रियां पर्दे में रहती हैं. So in North India the ladies put the saree on the face. Put the cloth on the face. Parda means putting the cloth on the face. So ki is the case ending. Ninth one. मोहन डैश घोड़े का दाम 2 रुपए है. So घोड़े is plural. So मोहन की घोड़े K will come because it is plural. Masculine plural. So मोहन के घोड़े का दाम 2 रुपये है. 10th one. नूरजहां डैश पति का नाम जहांगीर है. So नूरजहां का पति का नाम जहांगीर है. नूरजहां husband is Jahangir. That is the meaning of the sentence. So pati is masculine, singular. So ka will come. Nurjahan, but it is treated with respect. Jahangir is a proper noun. He was a king for some time. So he was a king for a kingdom for some time. It is treated with respect. So Nurjahan के पति, के will come. नूरजहां के पति का नाम जहांगीर है. नूरजहां के पति का नाम जहांगीर है. नूरजहां husband name is Jahangir. So we saw the possessive case ending. Hope you all understood. Thank you.